Hello everyone, you can see that on my table is a Nilfisk cleaner, vacuum cleaner, and the model is multi-20T, and this one have that motor, so we'll try to replace it. And first of all we need to remove the core from the handle, and here we will find two screws. And this one must be lifted out, and that looks scary. Okay, and we have the screw here. As you can see now, the housing starts to move, and of course this part is not letting us to move the housing, so probably it will be needed to pull it out too. Okay, got all this out with the valve and the spring. Of course everything is covered in dust here, and now we have our cleaner. Open it, and we can see that we have the motor here inside, and I can see one of the fan wind is missing. So now all is left is to unscrew all the screws we can see. And now we can lift our housing. And of course we have the cables for the motor, and they are going here. I have made them a little bit longer. What can we see here? You can see that we have a motor. I have a new motor here. So I think I can get the zip tee here. And I can disconnect the I can disconnect the motor. You can see that we have a written the motor here, so I hope we will connect it good. And our new motor must be installed in the same position the old one was. Basically we are closing the housing now. Okay, press the old motor right here. As you can see now, we have the housing mounted here, and it's a rubber, so we have a gap. We need to tighten it, and the gap will disappear. Okay, now, as you can remember, we had a PCB board, if we can call it like that, here, and pressing the wires in the places they belong, connecting them. Of course, I will test this one outside, because I don't want a lot of dust here in my shop. I have found a zip tee for the wires. And okay, now we can try to close the motor body. Of course, putting the wires in a gap here. And the first attempt. Yep, looks good now. So now we have our handle with the screws. I need to rest a little bit harder here. Okay, good. There goes our valve with the spring. Just like that, and it's time for our handle cover. And we have changed the motor for this one, of course, and now I will turn it on. The dust will go out of it, so that's the reason why I'm doing that outside. If you have compressed air, blow the dust inside out. If you don't have it, that's not a big problem, honestly. And okay, for this one is all over. We have replaced the motor. I will test it, and for you is just thank you for watching. Bye.